Are you getting ready for your UK theory test or just want to refresh your road sign knowledge? You're in the right spot. Let's jump straight in. Question 1. Which sign shows the give way road sign? Question 2. Identify the stop traffic sign. Question 3. Spot the no entry for vehicular traffic road sign. Question 4. Name the no overtaking traffic sign. Question 5. Which sign shows the traffic signals ahead of the road sign? Question 6. Identify the 20 miles per hour speed limit road sign. Question 7. Spot the pedestrians ahead traffic sign. Question 8. Name the no stopping road sign. Question 9. Identify the roundabout road sign. Question 10. Spot the no U-turns traffic sign. Question 11. Which sign shows the national speed limit applies sign? Question 12. Identify the parking place traffic sign. Question 13. Spot the zebra crossing road sign. Question 14. Name the no waiting traffic sign. Question 15. Which sign shows the road works ahead? Question 16. Identify the no right turn traffic sign. Question 17. Spot the children going to or from school road sign. Question 18. Name the general warning road sign. Question 19. Identify the Hump Bridge road sign. Question 20. Spot the low-flying aircraft warning sign. Question 21. Which sign shows the two-way traffic road sign? Question 22. Identify the no left turn traffic sign. Question 23. Spot the T-junction ahead sign. Question 24. Name the minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour road sign. Question 25. Identify the crossroads traffic sign. Question 26. Spot the steep descent road sign. Question 27. Name the soft verges warning sign. Question 28. Identify the road narrows on both sides sign. Question 29. Spot the cattle crossing road sign. Question 30. Name the low-flying helicopters warning sign. Question 31. Identify the tunnel ahead road sign. Question 32. Spot the steep ascent road sign. Question 33. Which sign shows the uneven road warning sign? Question 34. Identify the slippery road traffic sign. Question 35. Spot the staggered junction road sign. Question 36. Name the end of dual carriageway traffic sign. Question 37. Identify the falling or fallen rocks warning sign. Question 38. Spot the traffic cues likely ahead. Road sign. Question 39. Which sign shows the side road ahead? Traffic sign. Question 40. Identify the wild animals warning sign. If you're serious about mastering road signs and getting test-ready fast, tap subscribe for weekly quizzes and driving tips. Choose one of the videos on your screen to keep practicing and challenge yourself even more. Drive safely, and we'll catch you in the next one.